In this video, I will show you how to change account location in Roblox. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To change your location in Roblox, whether your location is shown as the incorrect country or maybe you've recently moved to country and you want to update your location, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to roblox.com and log into your account. Once you've logged in, come up to the top right hand corner and click onto this gear icon to bring up this menu, and then what you want to do is click onto settings. From your settings, what you want to do is scroll down until you see account location. It should be just down towards the bottom. Now sometimes this is going to have a drop down option, so what you can do is click and select your account location, but if like myself you don't have the drop down box, then all you need to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page. At the bottom you're going to see a link for help, so go ahead, give that a click. What that's going to do is take you to the Roblox help website, and from here you want to click onto this option here, Roblox account, and then what you want to do is come up to the top to the search box and type change location, and what should happen is you're going to get some recommended results come through. You actually want to click onto account location. So on this screen you're going to see some information about this, and if you scroll down a bit there's a paragraph on how to change your account location. So what you need to do is basically click onto the link here where it says need more help, contact support here, and what you can then do is enter in this form to get your account location changed. So you need to enter your username, first name and an email address. Make sure of course these details do match your Roblox account details, and that you do have access to their email address, as that's what they're going to contact you through. Once you've done that, come down to the next section about issue details, and what you want to do, it says what device are you having a problem on. Give this a click and select your device from here. So for myself that's going to be PC. This is just a template, but you can use this if you want to, and what I've put is basically, hi, my account location is shown as United Kingdom. Of course you would put whatever country yours is shown as. My actual location is France, but of course for yourself you want to put the country what your actual location is, and then you just want to type, I can provide documentation to prove this if needed. Why is this showing as the wrong location? So once you've completed this form, go ahead and click the continue button and send that through to Roblox support. Then all you need to do is keep an eye on your email. Generally it takes a couple of days for Roblox to come back to you, and what they're going to do is hopefully get that updated, and you may need to provide some documentation in the form of like a ID, so something like a driver's license, passport, or something that's got your up-to-date address on. But of course Roblox will go through that with you and tell you what forms of ID or documentation they need, if any, to update your location. So that is how to change account location in Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.